Hello friends, if you're part of the family, welcome back. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is a bonus video. As you guys can see from the title, it is makeup, so it's literally for my girls out there. And I want to show you guys two items that I got this weekend. And they're, well, one is new, one has been out for a while, I think, and it's actually, in my opinion, a dupe. But let's get started with the first one, which is a blush. So this is the Bounce Blush by Beauty Blender. I feel like it came out maybe a few weeks ago. And it is a liquid whipped cream blush. I saw it advertised on Instagram and I got it. Side note, because I bought it on Instagram, I got like 20% off or something to order. Anyways, it got here on Saturday and the color that I got is Playful Peach. And it is so pretty. I love it. So like I said, I got it on Saturday. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. I'm gonna insert here a clip from yesterday because I tried it for the first time yesterday when I was getting ready for church. Today's Monday. I'm filming this Monday. But it is a beautiful color. Like I said, it's called Playful Peach. It is peach, but I think it's very rosy as well, as you guys can see. Let me swatch it for you guys. It's very creamy. It's very light, which I love. And I love that it is light. It is blendable, and the reason why I like that it's light is because I can wear it on my lips, like what I'm doing right now. I have it on my face right now, and it looks very natural, right? So I think the price is $22, I think, but it is so pretty. Look, I wore it on my cheeks. Let me pour a little more here so you guys can see. Oh my goodness, blend that out. Look how pretty that is. Let me put some on the other side so I can even things out. There we go. It is so pretty, it looks natural. And what I love about cream blushes is that you can wear them as lipsticks as well. Sorry, my kids are downstairs. Look how pretty that is. And I love how cohesive it is. So you can see like my cheeks, my lips, it's beautiful. Next product has a whole story. So I followed this Instagram personality. Her name's Emily Gemma. She's beautiful, and I loved the lip combination that she was using, like the lipstick, lip gloss, etc. And I follow the links, all the links that she shared in her stories, like, hey, this is my lip combination. And it turns out that the lipstick that she was using is by Charlotte Tilbury, and it's called Super Cindy. And it's beautiful. Again, this peachy, kind of like this, because it's just so pretty. It's a beautiful peach. So I went to the store, I swatched it on my hand, and it's beautiful, but it's $34 for a lipstick. And I'm like, oh my word, I don't know if I should really invest that much on a lipstick. Like, do I really like it, etc. So I swatched it on my hand. I left the swatch on my hand and I went over to Target. And I tried to find, I didn't swatch any on my hand at Target. No, I don't do that. I don't swatch it and leave it there, no. I just kind of took the lid out and opened the lipstick just to see which one would match that color. And I think I came pretty close to where I think this is a dupe for the Super Cindy by Charlotte Tilbury. And it is by Maybelline. These lipsticks are like $5 and change. They're cheap, they're not expensive at all. And this one is 222 Flush Punch. All right, that's what it looks like right here. I'm gonna swatch it. Very pretty. So I don't have the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick, but I do have a picture of the swatch from that day, and I'll do a side-by-side with that swatch and the swatch from this lipstick. And what I will also do is I will take off this lipstick or this blush from my lips, and I'm gonna put some on, and I'm going to include a picture from their website of that lipstick, how it looks on the model. So it is so pretty. Actually, it's very similar to the blush that I put on. Okay, let me do a zoom in. And now I'm going to include a side-by-side of the swatches and of the lipsticks on the lips. So as you guys can see, they're so similar, so I think that they are a real dupe. Maybe this one's a little more creamier, a little shinier than the Charlotte Tilbury, but I think the color is very similar. So alright guys, so that's about it. Short and sweet, short video, just because I wanted to share a couple of these products with you guys. Sometimes I don't feel like I need to do like an entire get ready with me, and if it's just super basic products I want to share, then I go ahead and do that. So, all right, that's about it, guys. All the products that I have mentioned are below. Stay tuned for a few messages from myself. Love you all, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye. Hello friends, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my videos. I put a lot of time and effort in filming these videos and uploading them and editing them for you guys, so it means the world that you guys are taking the time to watch them. So first of all, thank you so much. There's a few things that I want to share with you guys. They won't take long at all, I promise. So number one is I accept prayer requests. So if there's anything that you want prayer over, if you have a family or a friend that needs prayer, or if you're going through a situation, yeah, or for you, for anyone that you know, go ahead and comment below, or you can go ahead and contact me by emailing me or through social media as well. And I will definitely be praying for you and for your situation. Number two, if you are on social media, you should totally be following me. I'll go ahead and put my handler below, specifically Instagram and Facebook. I post a lot more content there, specifically on Instagram. I post pictures of my family, of trips, of what I do during the day, recipes, outfits, just a lot more content there, and I have so much fun with it. So if you are on social media, go ahead and follow me over there. Number three, I have an Etsy shop where I design graphic t-shirts. In the future, I'm thinking of maybe adding a few more items on there, but go ahead and check it out. They are comfy t-shirts, mostly faith-based, tons of different colors, and I love t-shirts. I live in t-shirts, and I love designing them. So I've made this shop available for you guys to purchase some really cool and comfy t-shirts that I have designed. So go ahead and check it out. The link to my Etsy shop will be below. And number four, last but certainly not least, if you are not part of this family yet, consider subscribing. We have so much fun here. I do my best to upload 3 days a week. I upload Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Mondays and Wednesdays is mostly Bible related. I do Bible studies and such, and we have fun in those days because we dive into the Word of God and we learn. And Fridays is mostly for my girls out there. I do a lot of makeup hauls, makeup reviews, get ready with me, makeup tutorials. I also do recipes. I do so many things just about my life, and like I said, we have tons of fun on Fridays as well. So if you want to join us, if you feel like that's something that you would love to be a part of, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified every time I upload a new video. See, that was short and sweet, right? Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you all, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.